Hey, it's Joe Crump. I'm looking for 4 people this month to join my 6-month personal mentor program. I don't allow a lot of people in my program. I like to keep it reasonably small, but I have room for 4 new people this month. If my mastermind group gets too large, it's difficult for me to give you the kind of personal attention I'm used to giving, so I won't let that happen. There's a short window of opportunity where I have a few spots open, and I'd encourage you to get involved. If you'd like my help building your business, if you'd like me at your side, guiding you through the entrepreneurial landmines, you should think about joining my mentor program. If you're serious about building a healthy real estate investing business that'll feed you and your loved ones for the rest of your life, you should consider getting involved. If you want to work with me personally, not a hired hand, you can find out all about my 6-month mentor program by going to zerodowninvesting.com. This website will show you how my program works, what's included, what it costs, what you can expect from me, and what I expect from you if you sign up. There are 3 training videos on this site that go into great detail about what you need to do to build a profitable real estate investing business. They add up to about 2 hours of education. I call them my advanced training because that's exactly what they are. If you know nothing about real estate, they may be a bit over your head. The techniques I teach in these videos come from my personal experience, and you won't find this information anywhere else. If you aren't interested in working with me personally, or you can't afford to join my mentor program, these 3 videos will still be worth your while. They'll give you an overview of my entire business and show you how to model your business after the step-by-step systems that I've created. Even if you ultimately decide not to join my mentor program, I can safely say this advanced training program can completely transform your thinking about building a real estate investing business. I think these training videos are one of the best programs I've ever created, and they don't cost you a dime. They distill my 35 years as an investor and my 20 plus years as a coach and give you a complete outline of how we build a powerful, profitable, consistent, reliable, ethical, peaceful business. They'll give you the milestones, the benchmarks, the SOPs, the standard operating procedures that you're going to need to succeed. I hope you'll join me on this fantastic journey. If you like these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and you can go to my webpage, joecrumpblog.com, and sign up for my free newsletter. I give away a lot of free information on that newsletter that you won't find anywhere else. All right. Thanks a lot. Good luck to you.